Hello dear students, firstly I welcome you all in new class. In this video you will learn about computer and different type of devices that we use in computer. Firstly let us discuss that what is computer. As you all read previously that a computer is an electronic machine which is used to process the data given by us and that give us result as information. It means we give the data to the user, that is called input, then it process the data, which means processing is done, and then it gives us result, means output as information. Now different type of devices that we use in computer. A computer mainly divided into three type of devices. One is input device for entering data, second is processing device to process that data, and third is output device to see the result. Input device. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. If we want to enter anything in computer, then we need input devices. Different type of input devices are: first, keyboard. With the help of keyboard we can enter characters, numbers, letters. Second is mouse. With the help of mouse we can do drawing. Then joystick. With the help of joystick we can play games in computer. Next is microphone. Microphone is used to add voice. If we want to enter data in the form of voice, then we use microphone. Next is scanner. Scanner means if we want to scan anything, if we want to scan any picture to send, then scanner is used. Next is processing device. Processing device means the devices which are used to process data. After entering data, we process the data, and the device which helps us to process the data is called processing device. Example of processing device is CPU, means Central Processing Unit, the main working unit of computer. Next is output device. Output devices are those devices which helps us to see the result. If we enter data and computer process over it and gives us result, then by which devices we can see that result? With the help of output devices. For example, monitor. If we enter any letter, then we can see that letter on the computer screen. That is output. Next is printer. If we want to print anything, if we want any output in hard form, then we use printer. Speakers, like if I am entering data in the form of voice, then the result should be in form of voice, and that can be possible with the help of speakers. Thank you all. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me. Thank you.